Hey, I know it's a while since I've been on, and the sound, well, will be a little off, but just try and hold through. I'm gonna tell you a joke, right? This guy doesn't know anything. Walked into a music class, and the guy's like, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, and then so stuck in his head, right? Okay. Then he goes to the candy shop and says do, re, mi, fa, si, lo. Just all wrong, right? Then the guy's like, no, have a lollipop. And then he's like, he tells this guy over there. He's like, don't steal that guy's lollipop, boo. So he runs by and he steals his lollipop. And the guy remembered what he said to the guy and was like, oh, he stole my lollipop, boo. So then he goes to a restaurant because he's hungry, and he takes out a spoon, and it's like, chef's like, no, forks and knives. Then he goes home and he watches a commercial for a Febreze plug-in thing, and it's like, and it said plug it in. So he goes and he's walking down the street, and he sees a dead body, and the cops pull up. He's like, sir, do you know who did this? And he's like, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. He was like, how to do it? Forks and knives. He's like, why'd you do it? He stole my lollipop, boo. He's like, sir, I'm gonna have to take you to the electric chair. Plug it in. And that's my thing. I'm still waiting for comments for my song. I'm not saying my song until someone makes a comment. No.